Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of well-fermented kimchi, 200 grams of pork belly, 1 block of firm tofu, and some garlic and green onions. For the broth, prepare 4 cups of anchovy or dashi stock. Uniformly slicing your ingredients ensures everything cooks perfectly and looks appealing in your bowl. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly delicious and comforting meal. Now, let's build those deep flavors. Start by sautéing your sliced pork belly in a pot until it's nicely browned and crispy. Next, add the kimchi and 1 to 2 tablespoons of gochugaru or Korean chili flakes, stirring well to combine. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of gochujang, a splash of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Finally, pour in your 4 cups of broth, bringing the stew to a rolling boil before reducing to a simmer. As the stew simmers, it's time for the finishing touches. Add your sliced firm tofu, along with any other desired vegetables like mushrooms or onions. Let the stew gently simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen. This slow cooking process is key to achieving that rich, comforting taste. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh green onions and a small drizzle of sesame oil for an aromatic finish. Your delicious homemade kimchi stew is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot with a side of fluffy steamed white rice, perfect for soaking up all that flavorful broth. Feel free to adjust the spice level to your liking with a little extra gochugaru, or even a dollop of sour cream for a milder, creamier texture. This hearty stew is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your meal!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.